Hi, I'm Bea Hale, and I live here with my oldest son, and we have our grandchildren, 2 grandchildren here every couple weeks. So my bills go a little bit higher than normal with that. But other than that, it's really good. I'm a tax accountant, so I'm busy at this time of year. But I really like the fact that I can reduce my footprint. I had a friend who actually switched, and she was finding that it really helped with her bills. So I thought, well, I will try it. I'm always looking to reduce costs wherever I can. I have a client who has an older solar system, and he actually has reduced it. He gets a check every month. They don't do that now, but he gets a check every month, and it reduces him, and there's 4 in that family. So I figured that it should reduce my bills by doing the same thing, so that's why I wanted to invest in the solar panels. I looked on Facebook and XOLAR was there, and then I investigated it. I liked that it was a Canadian company. I liked the fact that the solar panels seemed to be able to work on my house. The installation itself was actually quite well. They did it all. Then they had to come back and put the Growatt in. Then I had to wait for hydro to actually put the dual meter in. It all happened within a couple of months due to the fact that I was out of the country. It happened fairly quickly after that. I live in a house that was built in 1984. It could not accommodate the solar panel information coming in. It was an unexpected cost, but was able to be handled, and it was done fairly quickly as well. My bill will come near the end of the month, and I haven't seen what it will do. I have noted on the app that they give you with it that I have close to the number of kilowatt hours that I actually use, because I'm only 19 days into it, so by the end of the month it should be over or above what I actually use. The kilowatt hours even come when it's a little bit cloudy out, so it seems to be working well. There is a government rebate. I think it's $2,000 that you get as a government grant for having put solar panels on. I would recommend it to everyone because even if you have 2 people in the house, you're still going to see a reduction. My friend, she's the only one living in her house. She's single. She's seeing a reduction in her bills already. I think it will enhance when and if I ever decide to sell, one advantage. The other is that it will reduce my bills going forward. I am actually being greener. They respond back fairly well by email. I was quite happy about that. I'm quite happy with how it was handled, and everything's working fine. It's quite amazing, really. I'm quite happy with it.